At least a peace of mind and life.
India interest in this.
Any MP subsidy. Stronger than society.
Ukraine and India, we are having a emotional and diplomatic and all for a old time relation, more than a 5-6 decade old. Culturally, historically, we all are so much bound to each other and we love each other culture. And that's the area to exploring Ukraine by the Indian and the India by the Ukrainian. We have so many to offer to the Ukrainian people because we have beaches, we have mountain, we have desert, we have fantasy, we have the medical tourism, our adventure tourism, yoga, Vedas. These are the area where we can work together. Ukraine is growing in a very fast manner. India is also going 8% growth per year. So it's a time that we must explore, we must see each other place, and that's why I am here. This incredible India welcome Ukrainian people, Ukrainian tourists to enjoy, and we are having a one side even the beach tourism, the other side is a peace tourism where you can have a spiritualism also. So that's why I wish this friendship, diplomatic tie-up, and now the people to people relation by the tourist activity.
His Excellency, Head of the State Agency for Tourism and Resorts of Ukraine, Ms. Shapovalova, friends from tourism and travel industry of Ukraine and India, we are grateful to you for having made it convenient to attend this evening.
Ми дуже вдячні вам за те, що ви прийняли запрошення і прийшли на цей вечір.
So friends, you can see that India is not only the beaches. We do have desert festival in Jaisalmer. So you can see we have got mountains, we have got beaches, we have got lakes, we have got deserts. And you name a product and we have in India. And that's how we have 365 destination, 365-day destination. And that's called India, the incredible India. Rural tourism is gaining momentum. And this rural tourism is
To cure with care is our tradition. Welcome to incredible India.
for enrichment experience. And India is different today.
India, as you all know, is an ancient civilization, but with a young population. That the process of economic reforms began that have transformed it into the world's third largest economy on purchasing power parity and put it on a path of a robust growth trajectory with rising foreign exchange reserves, currently around $315 billion. Private domestic consumption accounts for more than 50% of the country's GDP and is one of the key factors driving foreign direct investment in the country. India is the second most attractive FDI destination in the world and received nearly $26 billion.
У 2010 роках отримала близько 26 мільярдів доларів.
I wish you all a very pleasant. Thank you and enjoy your
Бажаю вам
моего коллегу, его высочество Субот Кант Сахая, министра туризма Индии, на гостеприимной украинской земле.
First of all, I would like to welcome all members of the official Indian delegation, and first of all, my colleague, His Excellency, Mr. Subodh Khan Sahai. We would like to welcome you here at our hospitable Ukrainian land. In addition to 3 regular flights per week, there will be charter flights during the winter season, Kyiv-Goa, with the landing in Abu Dhabi.
Роуд-шоу в Украине в рамках программы Incredible India также будет содействовать нашему двухстороннему туристическому обмену.
I'm sure that organization of the roadshow in Ukraine and the Incredible India program will contribute into our bilateral tourist exchange.
I think the pre-independent India relation we are having with this country, it was old, and from first day we recognize Ukraine as an independent country. Tourism is the largest employment generating sector. Most of the European countries is having their economy, a large number of economy contributed by the tourism sector. We have very negligible, or you can say we have lately started this 2-country tourism activity. Today, I got a chance to interact with the leader of tourism sector, tour operator. Minimum we must have a target of 100,000 to add in the coming year. India Tourism Office in Moscow for the CSR country, dedicated to that. And today is our meeting with the Honorable Minister, is going to have and to facilitate international tourism for India or for international sector. We are going to have a global tourism mart in 2012. I hope that you will not have a visa, any problem in the future from our side. This for the Ukrainian, our tourism department, that you also must get 100,000 tourists from India, then it will be a real bonding of the business and doing better for each other.
I see very smiling faces.
Я бачу багато облич, що посміхаються.
This shows that yes, you have enjoyed the little incredible India that we brought for India. We still have the cuisine left, and you have tasted some of the specialities of kebab while you were at the cocktail tables. But we will give you some Indian food also, for sparing his valuable time and coming here in this region to promote tourism to India. We are grateful to Mr. Anand Kumar, the Joint Secretary Tourism, for being here with us, and also Mr. Mahesh Ji, who is around here. I didn't see him here, for coming and visiting us here in this city of Kyiv. Ambassador, His Excellency, sir, without your support, we could not have done this show. Thank you very much.
Ми дуже вдячні його високоповажності пана послу. Без його підтримки ми б цього не організували. Заходу вдячні дуже.
And also the cook who have come all the way from India
І також
to give you authentic Indian food, which you will get after I speak.
І також ми вдячні пану Паті.
Our thanks are also to all our Indian partners who have come all the way from India to set up their business meetings, and they have told us that it has been very, very successful. Thank you all of the others.